Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of criminal law. We'll cover what criminal law is, how it works, why it's important, some examples of the rights it guarantees, job opportunities in the field, and the skills required to succeed. So let's get started. What is criminal law? Criminal law is a body of law that pertains to crime and punishment. It defines what constitutes a criminal act and stipulates the punishments for those acts. Essentially, criminal law is designed to maintain public order and safety by preventing and penalizing behaviors that threaten individuals and the community at large. How does criminal law work? Criminal law works through a series of statutes, regulations, and legal precedents. When someone is suspected of committing a crime, the legal system follows a structured process. 1. Investigation. Law enforcement investigates the crime to gather evidence. 2. Arrest. If there's sufficient evidence, the suspect is arrested. 3. Prosecution. The government, represented by a prosecutor, charges the suspect in court. 4. Trial. The case is presented before a judge or jury, who examines the evidence and determines guilt or innocence. 5. Sentencing. If found guilty, the offender is sentenced according to the law, which may include fines, imprisonment, or other penalties. 6. Appeals. The convicted person has the right to appeal the decision to a higher court. Why is criminal law important? Criminal law is crucial for several reasons. Protection of society. It deters individuals from engaging in harmful behavior. Justice for victims. It ensures that victims receive justice and offenders are held accountable. Maintaining public order. It helps maintain social order by establishing norms and consequences for deviant behavior. Rehabilitation. It aims to rehabilitate offenders, reducing the likelihood of reoffending. Examples of rights guaranteed by criminal law. Criminal law also guarantees several important rights to individuals, particularly those accused of crimes. Some key rights include: right to a fair trial. Every accused person is entitled to a fair and public trial. Right to legal representation. Accused individuals have the right to be represented by an attorney. Right to remain silent. The accused has the right to remain silent and not incriminate themselves. Right to be informed of charges. The accused must be informed of the nature and cause of the accusations against them. Protection against double jeopardy. An individual cannot be tried twice for the same offense. Job opportunities in criminal law and national average salaries. Criminal law offers a variety of career opportunities, each with its own set of responsibilities and rewards. Here are some prominent roles. 1. Criminal defense attorney. Represents individuals accused of crimes. National average salary, $85,000 per year. 2. Prosecutor. Represents the government in prosecuting criminal cases. National average salary, $75,000 per year. 3. Judge. Presides over court proceedings and ensures justice is served. National average salary, $135,000 per year. 4. Paralegal. Assists attorneys with case preparation and legal research. National average salary, $50,000 per year. 5. Criminal investigator. Works with law enforcement to investigate crimes. National average salary, $65,000 per year. 6. Corrections officer. Manages inmates in correctional facilities. National average salary, $45,000 per year. Skills required for people in criminal law. Success in criminal law requires a diverse skill set, including analytical skills, ability to analyze and interpret complex legal issues and evidence, communication skills, strong verbal and written communication skills for presenting cases and negotiating, research skills, proficiency in legal research to build strong cases, critical thinking, ability to think critically and make informed decisions, ethical judgment, strong sense of ethics and integrity, empathy and compassion, understanding and empathy for clients, victims, and others involved in the legal process. Additional details. Criminal law is constantly evolving to address new types of crimes and societal changes. For example, cybercrime has become a significant focus area, requiring new laws and specialized knowledge. Furthermore, criminal law also intersects with other fields, such as forensic science, psychology, and technology, making it a multidisciplinary and dynamic field. Conclusion: criminal law is a vital part of our legal system, ensuring justice, maintaining public order, and protecting individual rights. Whether you're considering a career in this field or simply interested in understanding how it works, it's clear that criminal law plays a fundamental role in our society. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.